Andrew here with ModelRailroadBenchwork.com. Just wanted to give you a quick look at my latest and greatest layout. This is an N scale layout with 10 loops and 2 trolley tracks. So it's complete with cabinet bases all the way around. All the doors open nice and big, and it's very open on the bottom. The client wanted me to string up some rope lights, so I went ahead and did that for him as well. All of the KATO switches are actually on switch controls that are built in to the face, and it's actually flush. But as you can tell, they work pretty great. So I also did all of the wiring for the layout. So you can see it's all nice and neat. You see the little light bulbs, those are for short circuit protection. So rather than shorting out the DCC system, the light bulb will turn on and warn you and tell you which circuit actually has the short on it. So in this particular case, the client wanted loops for his trains. So I've got track 1, 2, 3, and 4, they're just loops, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and then 9 and 10. So plenty of clearance. Everything's going to be fully accessible from underneath the layout. So if a train does happen to derail or gets a little sticky spot, you can easily access everything. And then on this side there is a passing siding, which is mostly going to be used for passenger train storage. And then there's 2 little sidings that come off on this side. Again, all cabinet grade finishes, top to bottom, with doors that open and close. It's got a Digitrax system installed, nice and clean and easy to access. There's the KATO power pack for the trolley circuit, which also happens to power the switches. So, and as you can tell, hopefully, this actually matches their cabinets perfectly. So again, this is another layout by ModelRailroadBenchwork.com, roughly 4 foot by 8 foot in size, with a 2 foot by 2 foot tag on the left and a 2 foot by 30 inch tag on the right. Thanks for watching.